The QWERTY keyboard is one of the most widely used keyboard layouts in the world today. But have you ever wondered why we use this particular layout of keys? The story of the QWERTY keyboard begins in the 19th century with the invention of the typewriter. The first commercially successful typewriter was invented in 1868 by Christopher Latham Sholes, Carlos Glidden, and Samuel W. Soule. Sholes and his team quickly realized that if the keys were arranged in alphabetical order, the mechanical arms of the typewriter would frequently jam. As typists would type too quickly and the arms would collide with each other. To solve this problem, Sholes came up with the idea of arranging the keys in such a way that the most commonly used letters were spread out across the keyboard, so that typists would have to move their fingers less frequently and at a more even pace. He experimented with various layouts.